In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Notion Calendar. Before we start, a quick note on how Notion Calendar thinks about tasks. In this app, a task is simply an event on your calendar. If your calendar is connected to a Notion database, those events can represent database items, but the act of adding a task is the same as creating a scheduled calendar entry. With that in mind, let's walk through two easy ways to do it. First, the fastest way is directly on the calendar. Open Notion Calendar on the web or desktop. Navigate to the day you want to schedule. Click anywhere on the timeline where you want the task to begin, or click an empty space on the date if you don't need a specific start time. As soon as you click, a new event box pops up. Type the name of your task. Use a clear, action-oriented title so you'll recognize it at a glance later. Next, set the date and time. If you need a specific duration, either adjust the end time or drag the edges of the new event to make it longer or shorter. This is perfect for quick blocking, like a 30-minute review or a 2-hour deep work session. When everything looks right, click Save to confirm. That task is now on your calendar. If you prefer a form-style setup, use the plus button. Look for the New Event button, usually at the top of the calendar. Click it to open a clean entry window. Enter the title of your task, choose the date, and set the start and end times. This method is great when you want precision without clicking around the calendar view. Once your details are in, hit Save, and your task appears in the right spot. A helpful reminder as you use Notion Calendar: it doesn't separate tasks from events the way a traditional to-do app might. Instead, it schedules events that can represent tasks, especially when your calendar is linked to a Notion database. If you're using that connection, your event can show database properties and keep everything in sync across your workspace. If you're not using a database, that's fine too. Treat each task as a calendar event with a clear title, a realistic duration, and a time that matches your focus. That's all there is to it. Click on the calendar for the quickest entry, or use the New Event button when you want to type details. Set the date, time, and duration, then save. You'll have your tasks scheduled and visible at a glance.